Hi to all my health conscious viewers. This is just the right meal you all are searching for. So let's just get started. Ingredients required for drumstick soup are moong dal, drumstick, water, ghee, hing, cumin powder, salt, lime juice, curry leaves and pepper. I have taken 3 drumsticks and just cut them into small pieces. Add around 1.5 glass of water and pressure cook it for 5 to 6 whistles. If it's not soft enough, we will further pressure cook it for another 3 to 4 whistles. I have pressure cooked it for 7 whistles. Now we are just going to blend it and then sieve it. Take 1/4 cup of moong dal, soak it for around 1.5 hour to 1 hour and then add 1 glass of water and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. I have pressure cooked it for 4 whistles. Now blend this. This is the moong dal which I blended and this is drumstick which is blended and sieved. Now we will move on to the next step. We will add 1.5 tablespoon ghee. If you all want to make this in olive oil, you all can make it in olive oil. Once our ghee is heated, we will add cumin powder, half teaspoon, hing, 1/4 teaspoon and few curry leaves. In that, I'll add the moong dal and the drumstick mixture. Now just mix both of this together. We will add little water because it is too thick. We have added the moong dal in this so that the bitterness of drumstick is balanced with it. That's the reason of adding moong dal. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper. Now the consistency of the soup completely depends on you all. If you all want it this thick, you all can keep it this way, and if you all want it little thinner, add extra water to it. We are going to allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. In this, we are going to add half tablespoon lime juice. The lime juice will also depend on you all. How much ever you all want, you all can add it. And then to garnish, we will add some coriander leaves. This is a healthy soup, so that's the reason we are not adding too many spices to it. Our drumstick soup is ready. Our healthy and yummy soup is ready. I hope you all like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.